Biocomputers, the future of computing or the rise of zombie superhumans? Researchers have announced their latest plan to create biocomputers powered by human brain cells, but this isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's real, and it's happening as we speak. The goal of the project is to create machines that have cognitive abilities beyond what is currently possible with traditional computing methods. However, many have raised concerns about the potential implications of this research. Will we be creating zombie superhumans? Will these biocomputers become self-aware and take over the world? Will we finally have the answer to the age-old question, what is the meaning of life? Let's take a closer look at this exciting but somewhat terrifying field of biocomputing. The science of organoid intelligence. Organoid intelligence, OI, is a new approach that utilizes brain organoids, which are clusters of brain cells grown in a lab, to create biocomputers. These organoids are similar to human brains but are much smaller, about the size of a pea. Scientists are hoping that by connecting these brain organoids to machines, they will be able to create machines that can think and learn like humans. They believe that the human brain is the most powerful computer known to man and that by mimicking its functionality, we can create the ultimate supercomputer. The idea of using brain cells to power machines is not new. In fact, researchers have been experimenting with the idea for years. However, recent advancements in stem cell research and biotechnology have made it possible to grow brain organoids that are more complex and sophisticated than ever before. The pros and cons of biocomputing. There are both pros and cons to using brain organoids to power machines. On the one hand, biocomputers have the potential to be much faster and more powerful than traditional computers. They could help us solve complex problems in fields like medicine, engineering, and even space exploration. On the other hand, there are many ethical concerns surrounding the use of human brain cells. Some people worry that we may be creating something that is more than just a machine. They fear that we may be creating life, or worse, creating a new species that could take over the world. The debate over the ethics of biocomputing is sure to rage on for years to come. In the meantime, researchers are pushing ahead with their plans to create the ultimate biocomputer. The future of biocomputing. If the researchers are successful, biocomputers could revolutionize the way we think about computing. They could lead to breakthroughs in fields like artificial intelligence, neuroscience, and even philosophy. However, the road ahead is not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is figuring out how to connect brain organoids to machines. Another challenge is figuring out how to program these biocomputers so that they can perform specific tasks. Despite these challenges, researchers are optimistic about the future of biocomputing. They believe that this new approach has the potential to transform the world in ways that we can't even imagine. The rise of the zombie superhumans. As exciting as biocomputing sounds, there are also some concerns about what might happen if these machines become too powerful. Some people worry that biocomputers could become self-aware and take over the world. While this may sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. In fact, some experts believe that it's only a matter of time before machines become smarter than humans. So what happens when biocomputers become smarter than us? Will they become our overlords, or will they become our friends? Will they use their power to help us, or will they see us as a threat to their existence? The truth is, no one really knows what will happen if biocomputers become smarter than us. However, there are some steps that we can take to ensure that these machines remain under our control. One of the most important things we can do is to build in safeguards that prevent biocomputers from becoming self-aware. This could include programming them with strict ethical guidelines, or even limiting their ability to learn and evolve. Another important step is to ensure that these machines are transparent and accountable. This means that we need to be able to understand how they are making decisions and ensure that they are not biased or discriminatory. Ultimately, the rise of biocomputers raises some big questions about the future of humanity. Will we be able to control these machines, or will they control us? Will they be our salvation, or our downfall? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, the future of biocomputing is an exciting and fascinating field that is sure to capture the imaginations of scientists and sci-fi fans alike. In conclusion, the idea of using human brain cells to power machines may seem like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a real possibility that scientists are currently exploring. While there are both pros and cons to this approach, there is no denying that biocomputers have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about computing and push the boundaries of human knowledge and understanding. As with any new technology, there are risks and ethical concerns that need to be addressed. However, if we are able to build in safeguards and remain vigilant, biocomputers could unlock a whole new world of possibilities and help us solve some of the most pressing problems facing humanity today. Thanks for watching.